Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Chrome because notifications are managed per app and per site. First, open Chrome and tap the three-dot menu at top right. Once done, choose Settings and scroll to Notifications. This is where Chrome exposes site-level and channel-level controls. You need this view to turn off push permissions and group channels. Make sure Chrome is updated to avoid hidden menus, and keep your device unlocked so you can change permissions without OS interruptions. Now you'll focus on site push settings because most unwanted alerts come from specific sites. Tap Notifications, then Sites or Site Settings, right arrow Notifications. You'll see a list of sites allowed to send push messages. Tap a site and choose Block to stop it immediately. Once blocked, Chrome won't prompt that site again. If many sites are allowed, use Clear and Reset to revoke all permissions, then re-enable only those you trust to reduce future noise. Finish by checking Android system notification channels to ensure nothing slips through. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Chrome, right arrow Notifications, and toggle entire app off if you want a full stop. Otherwise, silence specific channels like media or promotions. If notifications persist, clear Chrome's cache and data or reset app preferences to remove stuck permissions. Make sure battery optimization isn't restoring notifications. A quick restart after changes confirms they're applied. If one stubborn site keeps messaging, remove its data from site settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.